You like donuts?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Jesse, you want a donut?
We're getting a donut.
Gonna make it on-site Dunkin' Donuts.
Oh, that is ridiculous.
The computer broke?
Yeah, the
It's a,
computer
it's
broke
a-
at Dunkin' Donuts.
Yeah, it's
That's
a
real
peripheral-
believable.
It's a peripherals pickup.
What, did a mouse break?
No, it's an equipment pickup.
You know, if you're gonna make something up, at least make sure it's believable.
I know, I'm trying to figure out the best way to say we're recovering donuts.
Yeah, just, if you can get me a chocolate glaze, I'll be good.
Chocolate glaze, just one?
No, let's get 50.
Jordan, how many donuts you want?
10.
How many do you want?
10.
I will get 10. so answer the
Well, then
question.
we can have them for all week.
Is Rob here?
He's in the bathroom again.
Yeah.
He's been in the bathroom for what, 15 minutes now?
Has he been there the whole time I've been on site?
Yep.
Jeez.
My computer keeps freezing up.
I was fully expecting this to just eject off.
My computer keeps freezing up.
That is a tough desk.
Which one? That one?
That one.
Oh my god.
You can get 2 donuts?
Hmm?
How many donuts are you gonna get?
Well, Jordan wants 10. You want one?
You only want one?
One.
You want 10?
They're cheap. They're only like 50 cents.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, if I get the,
Well, we
if I
have,
get like a box.
You need the dozen.
Yeah, what's a dozen dollars? Like $5?
Yeah, you want me to get like a dozen?
We got this still.
Okay.
It says, treat this card like cash.
Oh, throw it away.
Oh my god.
I have any other ones.
Years
Oh.
old.
Hold on. I might have this. I might have the second one.
Hey, Rob. You want a donut?
What do you think, donuts? No.
Oh,
I
this
think
is
that's-
blank.
I think we'll use that one,
Or maybe this goes to that.
quite possibly.
Does that have an expiration?
No.
No, it just does cash expire? You're supposed to treat it like cash.
Rob, you want any donuts or anything from Dunkin'?
If you need a card,
Oh,
What is buttering?
what?
you need a gift card?
Yeah,
I
you
think
have
there's
one?
Some on this.
Yeah,
You-
I have one.
Get the one from him. Because remember, he wasted those other 3,
Yeah, I can use both.
which isn't right.
I can use both. See if we can get
Well,
it.
how many? What's on the other one?
I don't know how much.
Probably $8.
Yeah, that's if we didn't use it already. Use most of it.
I don't think
Mine's
so.
unused. Use the first one and then just use whatever's on that one.
What, use yours and then use whatever's on the balance of this, or the other way around?
No, other way around.
No,
Use
do it the
whatever's
other
on
way
that.
around.
Do it the other way around.
Yeah, the other way is correct.
Do it
It's
3
not
times around.
correct, it's the other way.
Do it 3
And then
times
we'll-
around. Do it
Mine
3
has
times
more
around.
on it.
How much does it have on there?
More than $8.
Oh my
What,
God.
what, $9?
Maybe 15.
So then
No.
use that one first and then use
It's
the
$8.10.
Get rid of that one and then if there's
Whoa!
extra.
Don't get rid of it!
No, I'm saying use it and then if there's more on that one, we'll just hold it for the office.
That actually is a smart idea.
I hate it.
Alright.
How much?
Just throw away the money.
Yeah, it's
Just
just,
throw it.
you're supposed to treat it like cash. Just throw it out.
So, should I get like a half dozen or should I get a dozen?
How many donuts you think we should get?
I think a half dozen should be fine.
Rob, what
But-
kind of donuts you want?
But Jordan wants 10 donuts.
You want 10 donuts?
Yeah, that's why we were gonna get a dozen.
Oh, we can do a dozen. I don't think we're
I
gonna
don't
eat
think we
a
should get
dozen.
a dozen.
Oh, I can eat at least 5 in one sitting.
Yeah, but it's
So
not
can you,
healthy.
so-
Eh,
I know I can.
if
Mine
that's
is
the
10, that
case,
is
then
10.
I guess. But
So we can go through the whole dozen in 1
Depend-
hour.
Jordan,
Look,
how,
I-
are-
Well, I have a doctor's appointment after this.
Oh,
I'm not.
good. Then they'll fix it.
Yeah, don't fix it.
I think get a dozen and then we'll
how
eat
many
it
you gotta
for the
eat?
next 2 days. Because that's
I-
gonna last 2
Why is
It
days.
might not last into the.
It might last
I just wanted
It
one.
might not.
one day. You want one?
You're not gonna eat just one.
Well, you're
Actually,
gonna
you're
get one
right.
Don't be
I was thinking
ridiculous.
times 12.
I was
Oh
thinking
my
again.
God.
I'll probably just have one.
Just get 2
Okay.
of everything. Go over there and let me get 2 of everything.
All right.
Do
so
Boston
am I gonna,
creams. Do a
Nobody
hate
wants that.
Boston.
Those are disgusting.
do a
nasty.
Boston cream.
Nasty,
Do
garbage,
pink with
sticky
sprinkles,
donut
do
with
chocolate
syrup
Do
with
on it.
not
sprinkles.
get a Boston cream.
If you get a Boston cream, the whole thing is gonna be spoiled.
Oh my god.
Those are disgusting.
He wants a Boston cream donut.
That's disgusting.
Okay.
Why is it just
so is
hard-
syrup on pizza.
Right, so don't
Yeah.
get it and don't eat it. Gosh.
Okay, so I can get 2 Boston cream for.
Who? Doing
For,
them nasty things?
Yeah, I'm getting 2. I'll get like at least 2 for each of us, and then we can figure out what
2
other
what?
4.
I want
Actually,
4.
Jay, can I get an iced caramel coffee as well?
What the heck is
Oh,
it?
the bill is just going up and up.
here, let me guess.
Yeah, I got 45 minutes to do
It's
this.
gonna take.
How long
45
is it gonna
minutes to make
take?
this stupid order?
Well, I have to.
You might need to like get a piece of paper and write these down.
Yeah.
I may have to
Here
get.
you
I may
go.
have to do this. I may have to do this another time, but I gotta get to my doctor's appointment.
What
at
time is
3.
the appointment?
3 o'clock.
Isn't it right down the street?
Yeah.
Well, how
Take
far
me
is this Dunkin' Donut?
Right down
Same
the street.
direction.
Which one
It's
you
like
got?
200
I
yards
was
down
gonna
the
go to the
road.
Main Street one because the one out the side of the highway is expensive as hell.
They don't have any stock there.
Yeah, they also
All
don't
right.
have anything.
I don't think we need a list.
Okay?
I think
We
Just
won't
yeah,
go.
go. Just go. and
I do
just-
need a list,
Just
Why?
so I know what to get.
Okay, what should we get?
All right, both Jesse,
No,
both Jesse and I will do chocolate glaze.
2 or 4?
I say 4. There's at least 2. There's 2 for each of us.
What are you watching?
All right, Rob. What you wanna what? 2 Boston cream, or do you wanna?
I'll do 1 Boston cream, 1 pink with sprinkles.
I have to put so many bleeps in these videos.
Oh, you're recording this. Jeez, you're gonna have to bleep out the
I
whole
know.
thing.
I just spent half an hour editing this stupid thing.
Oh well.
Oh, should I just make
You
it
can-
worse right now?
You could utilize AI, try to.
I hate AI.
Why?
It's stupid. You ruined that letter? What did you ruin that letter for? That was important.
Oh my god. We're never gonna get the
Holy.
donut. That was another bleep.
Yep.
What is that?
What are you
It's the
throwing at me?
keyboard shards. Holy.
That's another one.
Come on. Okay. So we only have a total of 10 donuts so far.
And then Jay.
Just fill the rest. Whatever you want.
Yeah, whatever you want.
What other one should we get?
I can get like 2 glazed
Oh,
donuts.
perfect.
That way we're at the dozen.
Literally.
Because that way I feel like any of us will eat a glazed donut, right?
Yep, I'll eat it.
Go, go, go.
Alright, let's see if I got enough
Wait.
time.
You got enough time.
Just start running.
Stupid.
So let me know if you'll get that iced caramel coffee.
Yeah, can you text that to me? So, or
Why don't you
let's-
just write
let's
it
Write it
down?
down.
Yeah, it's iced caramel coffee.
Yeah, actually, I don't like coffee.
I don't drink coffee either. I try to keep the caffeine away. Caffeine is addictive.
It is.
Yeah, that's why I stay away from coffee, and that's why I've cut back on soda.
I like soda.
Yeah, I know you do. How's that been going?
I'm okay now.
Sure.
Yeah, I passed the 40-day mark. It was just the first week or two that was a problem.
You mean that was the first month was the issue?
Thank you, sir.
Because you came back after
No,
2.
it's because I was working here. That's why.
Yeah, you came back. You're like, I ain't quitting soda. I'm not doing well. And we were like, Jordan, how is it? I'm telling you how it is to me.
Oh, throw that out.
No!
Oh my god.
No! I
All
need
right.
these.
You gonna go get the donuts?
Yep.
I'm getting pretty hungry.
I should have enough time.
I think so.
We gotta get this
Go,
done.
Jay.
You're gonna miss the donuts. He's going so slow today.
That took forever.
That was abysmal.
That was like a 15-minute decision of getting donuts.
It was a 12 minutes.
Long enough.
Too long.
Too long.